Okay, we should now get started on removing the valve cover. They're just 10 millimeters. So be careful with these. These are the covers for each bolt, so no oil leaks out of them. Just set it here for now. Now move this. There we go. And we could take out the others that we didn't get, so we don't lose these, because sometimes these aren't sold with the valve cover gasket, so you gotta reuse them and just put silicone on them. So we save them there for now. So I'll get started now on removing the cover, the timing chain cover. We'll go from there. Okay, so far we are getting the covers off. We got 6 12 millimeter bolts, 114, and 2 nuts. The 2 nuts go here, the 14 millimeters right here, and the rest are just around here. So there's 2 up here that are accessed through the top. I'll see if I could get a better picture of them, but you just access them right there with an extension. And let's see, let's get those out right now. There we go. That's 1. That's 2. Those are a little larger than the others, so we can separate those right there. And that should be it for this. I think it should be able to come off now. I think we're gonna have to try to take off the oil filter. Came off easy. There's just 1 bolt that holds it, and then 2 nuts. I'm pretty sure they should come out now. I think I need to take these 2 out. There we go. Also 12 millimeters. So I'm starting to get the timing cover out. One way is through here and just prying it out. And then you also got to make sure you do the other side. Right here, I just started tapping it a little bit. You could probably use a rubber mallet, but I can't find it right now, so there, popped off. Gotta make sure the other side pops off completely. Well, it did. So now we could try to remove it, and there we go. We have successfully removed the timing cover. It's leaking a little bit of oil. I'll probably put it right here on the pan so it can leak the oil out through the pump. And now we got all of this. I'm probably gonna clean up a little bit real quick so we don't mess everything up and forget where everything goes. And then we'll continue right now. Okay, let's get started now. We can move this, so we can move this guide out of the way. Leave that on. Then just like that. We could see if we could try. No. Okay. Let's try to take this off now. There we go. Move this one out too. I think I'm gonna leave this in here like that. I'll put this one in here too. I don't know if I can take it off now. Yeah, I can. And the timing chain is now out. There we go. Can all go down. There we go. The timing chain is off now. Other than this, all of this is just part of here. I feel like leaving this here for now and just getting started with taking off the head now. So let's get started. I'm gonna take this one off first. Loosen it up now. Do this middle one now. Now I can do this one. Okay. Sure they're all okay. Let's get started on this side now. go. There we go. There we go. That's one side. I'll leave it here for now. Go. Could leave it like that for now. So this is a 12.14 millimeter. So I'm gonna remove them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5 on the other side, which is 10. So there we go. I looked into it and turns out that these head bolts are only one-time use. So we're gonna have to buy some new ones. I'm pretty sure the rebuild kit that I purchased comes with them. If not, we'll just have to order them. But yeah, it's 10 of these. So let's set them here and let's take off this head now. There we go. There we go. It's off. Okay. So let's see. Here it is. Yeah, I'm no expert at this, but yeah, I think it is needed. It was needed to change this, even though this is The head gasket isn't on this, it stayed on the body. So let's move this aside for now. We could set it aside on top of these 2x4s, making sure the head doesn't touch the ground. So like that. This seems good for now. Here's the head gasket. And yeah, right here ripped off. You can see cracks. I could be wrong, but yeah. It's probably this one, cylinder number 1, that was burning coolant, because it's the one that looks the cleanest out of all of them. All the other ones don't look clean. So yeah, I don't know if all of this I can clean off, or if I should take it to the machine shop so they can resurface the block. But I think for today we are done, and I'm gonna just put everything away for now. I'll probably take off the rest of the chain. I think this is for the oil pump or something, I'm pretty sure, or we'll see, because it looks like it's powering this pulley and this pulley and this one. I don't know what's behind them, but we'll see. But for now we're done. We'll continue more tomorrow. We did a lot of good progress. At this point it's just the bare block that's on